I just opened up this cold press juicer by Cannoli, and I'm about to try it for the very first time. First impressions, I absolutely think it's very beautiful and modern. I love how slim it is, so it's going to be really easy just to kind of tuck into a corner somewhere when I am not using it. A couple different pieces. It was very easy to put together, but at first glance, I just love how wide everything is, so I think it will be really easy to clean when I'm done, which is going to be really important because that is never fun. Check this out here up at the top. So we've got the mouth here. So this is where you're going to put your fruit and your vegetable, but you will just put it inside there, and then you're going to flip it and it's going to go down. Of course, they do give you the little presser to help it, but look at this, like my hand cannot fit in there, and like the blade is all the way down here. So really that is just really good for, you know, making sure we're not going to have any accidents and hurt any fingers here. But so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and try to make some orange juice for the very first time. As I said, this is my first time using it. I pretty much have no idea what I'm doing, so this will be a great test to make sure that yeah, that it's easy to use. Sorry, there's just a little, let's get that out there. Okay, so you have two sides, because one side, the juice is gonna come out, and then the cool thing that I absolutely love, the other side, the pulp is gonna come out, which is really great because you're gonna want those separated. I'm one of those people, I don't love pulpy orange juice or any pulpy kind of juices. I think it's kind of gross. So the fact that they will be separated, which are gonna be really great. And this is also a slow moving machine, so basically it's going to take its time. It's not one of those things that's really fast, and what's good about that is that it actually helps kind of keep more of the nutrients, which is really good. So I'm just going to grab one of these whole. I wasn't too sure if I could put it in whole, but it kind of looks like I can. So I'm going to turn it on. There is just one button at the back here to turn it on, and the cool thing I've noticed too is if anything is kind of stuck or jammed, you can actually reverse it to kind of dislodge it. So let's go ahead and place these back under here. I'm excited, but also a little bit nervous. Okay, so we're gonna turn it on. So there she is, she's moving. And we're just gonna grab this. Yep, definitely seems to fit. And I'm just gonna, ooh, and there it goes. So I'm probably gonna have to give it a little bit of help, of course, which makes sense because we wanna push it down in there. Look at that go in. Oh, yes! Anything coming? Oh, look at that pulp. Oh my goodness. Okay, I may have put this too close, like I don't want it to like fall over the table. Let's go ahead and just like pop all these little pieces too, just to see how that goes, just to see if there's any difference there. It's kind of cool because you put it in and the weight just kind of makes it want to flip on its own, which is really neat. Okay, so this of course I need to open. Does this just slide? Yeah. Oh, look at that beautiful fresh juice. Oh my goodness, and that's so cool. So then of course the juice will just stay down here. Let me stop this making a lot of noise. Look at that pulp. And then I just want to see the reverse. So if I turn it on the other way, oh, look at that. So that's just going to kind of help to like dislodge it. And then we bring it back down this way just in case if anything was stuck. So that will just keep on going down in through there. And then of course you can just keep adding more fruit, but here's the most important part. I'm just gonna go ahead and give this a sip. So yeah, not full of pulp, which is really great. Like, I mean, it just smells like delicious. Oh yeah. Like it cannot get more fresh than this. Literally, as you saw, did not take very long, even though it's like one of those slow moving cold presses. It was pretty quick to me. This thing by Cannoli, absolutely fantastic. Can't wait to make some more juices.